So hi friend, welcome back to all of you in our official YouTube channel. Today our video topic is how to trade Binance option. Okay, so before starting this video, I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel and also like this video. Lot of people are watching my videos daily but that did not subscribe my YouTube channel, so please I request you to subscribe and also like this video. So the below comment section is always open for you all guys. You can ask me anything related to computer science, IT, something like that. I will give a reply as soon as possible. So without being wasting time, let's start the video. And if you follow my steps, so you can able to trade Binance option. Okay, so here you can see that it show me that two methods. Here you can see one by website and one by app. Okay, so I will explain that both, so watch the complete video. So first of all, I will explain the website. Okay, trading option on Binance is easy to start. You will first need to activate your option account, transfer assets to your option wallets, access the option trading in interface to view the full range of option tradable on Binance. Okay, first activate your option account. Okay, log into your Binance account and then click to derivative and then go to the option. Okay, as you can see here, first you need to click to login account on this website, and then what you need to do is click to the derivative and then they select the person option. Okay, and then what you need to do, the second step, click to register now to open your options account. You will see that tutorial about option trading on Binance. Okay, so here you can see that it will show you the a notice that welcome to the option trading, registered or login. Okay, after that you will be redirected to the market view, which display all the traded option and the order book. As you can see that it will redirect to you to the market view, and here you can see that the all coins display. Okay, fund your option wallet, then go to wallet option, click to transfer. Okay, when you click to transfer, then what you need to do that enter the USDT amount you want to transfer from your spot wallet to your option wallet. Click to transfer. Okay, so there you should put that amount in USDT, as you can see that, so which you want to shift that account to shift that amount from spot wallet to option wallet. Okay, so step number 3, buy option. Okay, buy options. Select the underlying assets you want to trade at the top screen of the screen. Okay, select a call option or a put option to open a position. Okay, here you can see that once you have selected a call or a put option, you will see the trading panel. Click to the arrow to view market detail or click on the candlestick symbol to switch off the or to the trading interface. Here you can see I choose your order type, B best bid offer, BBO. So use the best ask price, lowest sell price on the order book for a buy order, or the best bid price, highest buy price in the order book for a sell order. Okay, limits order allow you to customize a limit price for your order. Here you can see that it limits price. Enter the price and amount and click to buy to place your call or put option. The premium will be deducted in USDT from your options wallet. Okay, number 4, manage your order and position. Here you can see that you can use the position tab to monitor your open position. It will be show you the amount for of the best time before the option expire. If you want to transfer this option contract to another trader, click close position next to it and enter a sale price. Okay, you can also view past trading, including your open orders history, trade history, exercise history and transaction history. As you can see here, order history support up to 30 days order history. Okay, trade history, exercise history. Okay, as you can see here, in the picture, the transaction history, manage your option wallet. Okay, you can access your option wallet from the top right corner of the trading interface by clicking wallet. As you can see that here, you can see that the option, the full guide in the picture. You can also see that you can also monitor your open position directly from the option wallet. As you can see here, number 6 is customize your market list view. You can enable to more column to be displayed on the market list from the trading panel. Click on the preference icon and check the box next to the column you wish to view. You can enable last price, bar, bid ask, size, high low, leverage, volume, gamma, vega, and theta. And I hope you like this video. So see you in my next video. Goodbye, thanks for watching.